Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Payroll, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for QuickBooks Payroll. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the QuickBooks Payroll login page. Look for the field labeled User ID. Click on the User ID field and enter your registered user ID. Next, locate the password field. Click on the password field and input your password. Double-check, ensuring there are no typographical errors in your user ID or password. Once you are sure the information is correct, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are valid, you will be directed to the QuickBooks Payroll dashboard. In case you forget your user ID or password, click on the I forgot my user ID or password link. Follow the prompts provided to recover your information. If you're using a shared device, consider checking the box for Keep Me Signed In for easier access next time. Always make sure to log out after completing your session, especially on public computers. To log out, click on your profile name or icon, usually found in the top right corner. Then, select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. That's it. You have successfully logged into QuickBooks Payroll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.